and today I'll be introducing the Gemini 2100 garage door series. The Gemini series is a simple yet reliable door. You'll find that Hörmann offers more color and design options for a door of its class compared to any other company in the industry. This door is constructed with full box design styles and is bonded with industrial grade adhesive. This fully boxed design gives your door superior strength and structural durability. Our commitment to quality is further enhanced as you take a look at Hörmann's between section and side seals. These factory installed side seals are crucial in keeping out wind, rain, debris, and other elements from entering into your garage. They're also a practical way to offer maximum protection while adding more insulation properties to your door. Gemini doors can either come hollow or with a vinyl back insulation. The vinyl back insulation includes a retaining strip for a tight fit and a clean finish. As you can see, each Hörmann door utilizes nylon rollers featuring 11 pre-lubed ball bearings encased in high-strength steel. This outer nylon roller provides a quiet ride and years of reliable service as opposed to noisy metal rollers with less bearings. Hörmann minimizes floor rail corrosion by using aluminum retainers for the floor seal. Many of our competitors either use steel that's likely to rust or plastic, which may become brittle in cold weather or become easily detached. Let me draw your attention to our special safety feature. You can see here that we have pinch-resistant section joints. This unique FingerGuard design pushes my finger out when placed within the door's interior and exterior joints, therefore reducing the risk of trapped fingers for you and your loved ones. This series comes in 9 standard colors and is finished with either a wood grain or a stucco embossing. This particular door model features our traditional design. Additional selections include ranch, country, and cottage that are sure to match your home style and natural decor. At Hörmann, our attention to detail matters, which you'll be able to see in our window motifs and various glass options. For example, you can see that our windows are recessed into the panel of the door instead of sitting above the panel surface, like many of our competitors. Solid piece injection molded windows are another important Hörmann benefit that are less likely to fail in comparison to our competitors' welded frames. This high-quality composite offers a class-leading resistance to heat, color fade, and any risk of it losing its original shape. So take your pick from over 200 different window motifs and glass combinations to not only add natural light into your garage, but to add beauty and value to your home. At Hörmann, we've lived the philosophy that a good name must be earned for over 4 generations. We proudly stand behind our entire product line with industry-leading warranties. We further set ourselves apart by the warranties that we provide on the springs and hardware of our doors. All of our steel door sections come with a limited lifetime warranty, which means that we guarantee the durability of your garage door for as long as you own your home. If you're looking for an economically favorable door with detailed qualities, then the Hörmann Gemini series is your door. Thank you so much for your attention today. We hope that you'll visit us at our website at www.hörmann.us for more information and to find your local authorized dealer.